How to create open profile in Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to create an open profile in Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open Kakaotalk application. Now once you are in, tap on this chat icon right here. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you can see open chat and open profile right here. Just tap on open profile. You can just create open profile from here. Tap on create open profile. Now once you tap on it, you can change your name here, or you can also add the status message and hashtags. Let me add one. Now once you add it, you can enable the public search right here. You can toggle this off as well. Okay, once you do that, tap on done right here. In this way, you can create an open profile on your Kakaotalk. And that's it. Super simple, right? Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.